Okay, I just wanted to do another quick demonstration of this surfacing tool in Paraview. I've got this vehicle here, and it's the drive air geometry, and I just want to cover in the front grille. It's already available with a filled-in front grille, but I just want to demonstrate how quickly it can be done with this surfacing tool. So I've taken slices of the geometry, and I've used those slices, horizontal and vertical, in order to create some splines. So these are just your regular Paraview spline source down there. And so yeah, you create 4 splines. They have to be opposing each other, so 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. And with this type of spline, because it's a Bezier quadratic spline, it has to have 3 points, so you create a midpoint and then move that to generate your curve. And then once you've done that, you can create a surface. Spines don't have to be precise, and these don't quite meet up in the corners. But once you've got those created, then on the surfacing tool, and it creates a quadratic surface in between it. And then if it doesn't quite match the surface geometry of your car, which it probably won't, then you can also extrude it a little bit. So you could extract the surface, you could save that surface as an STL file. You would need to triangulate it first. Triangulate. Yeah, you could save it as an STL file separately and use it separately, or you could merge it with the geometry straight away, and I would probably do a linear extrusion of it just to give it some thickness. And if you do a linear extrusion, you can be sure that it's actually meeting up to the surface geometry of your car. So that's what I've done here, just created a little bit of thickness, and there you have it. That's just a quick method of creating a new surface in Paraview.